Welcome to Kandekore Websites, Hosting and Domains YouTube channel. Don't pay the earth to reach the world is our mantra. We want to empower you to implement web and cloud solutions for your business or organisation by providing you with the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. Over time, we'll be teaching you how to launch a website and get it listed with Google, as well as helping you implement and troubleshoot hosting and email issues. This first series of videos will be introducing you to our customer portal, where you can buy and manage Kandekore services. Through the portal, you can set up website hosting and register domains and much more. As part of the Microsoft Partner Network, we're authorized to sell and support Microsoft products such as 365 and Exchange. So in a nutshell, we could provide solutions to most businesses' online and cloud requirements. In this video, we'll be walking you through accessing the portal and placing an order, with subsequent videos teaching you how to perform specific tasks. But if you have any questions or need help with the portal at all, please get in touch by emailing support@kandekore.net or by completing the support form under the contact section. I'm Darren, your host for the day, so without further ado, let's crack on. So, you can order services through our main website, but today we're just going to go straight to the client portal, which can be reached by clicking this big blue button on our homepage. You will then be greeted with a login box where you can log in if you have an account, reset your password by clicking forgot if you don't know your password, or creating a new account by clicking create an account. You can also create an account at the checkout stage when you place an order, which is what we'll do in this instance. To see the items, click Store and Browse All. You'll then be given a list of service categories down the left-hand side. In this example, we're just going to order a WordPress business hosting package. Upon clicking Order Now, you'll be taken to a page which is asking you to choose the domain name for your hosting package. Each hosting package requires a domain name, so you'll need to choose one of the following options. Register a domain, transfer your domain from another registrar, or I will use my existing domain and update my Nameservers or DNS records. I will come back later in this video and explain each one of these options, but for now, we'll choose Register a new domain. Upon entering the domain, our system will search the domain whois database and let you know the availability of each domain. Don't forget that the desired extension is in the drop-down box. Below, you'll see alternative options. Further down, other suggested domains, which are automated based on your suggestions. If the domain you want isn't available and you don't want any of the alternative extensions or suggestions, you can try again, just by entering your domain name in the box, putting the drop down for the relevant extension and hitting check. In this instance, we'll choose the .co.uk domain. Once you've chosen your domain, click continue to confirm the details. You will then be directed to an overview page, which lists the details of the package you are buying and also gives you the option to choose a billing cycle. You will notice that the longer cycles not only work out cheaper, but you're also provided a free domain name. As you select the cycles, you will see that the total due today figure changes in the order summary. If you have registered a UK domain, upon clicking continue, you will be directed to a page that asks you for registrant details. As a Nominet partner, we are obligated to collect this information. You do only need one of these fields though, either a company number or registrant name. If you're not a company, you can put your name here. You're then directed to the checkout, and if you have a discount code, you can use it here. To finish, you will either need to log into your account or create one, as we mentioned earlier. If If you're already logged into your account, these details should be pre-populated. Choose a payment method, credit card, direct debit or cryptocurrency, but please be aware that your account won't be set up or domains registered until we've received the cleared funds. The only payment method that clears instantly is credit or debit card. The others have longer processes, so that's just something to bear in mind. Add any additional notes that you'd like us to know or be aware of. Check that you're happy with our terms of service. Hit checkout and your order will be processed. We will email you confirmation and any information required to enable you to access your account. Pretty easy, right? Okay, so let's go back and cover how you'd complete this order if you already have a domain name and you either want to transfer it to us to make us your registrar or point your domain name to our server. So, after you've chosen the hosting package you want, you're asked to choose a domain. If you want to transfer the domain, click Transfer your domain from another registrar. Enter the domain name and the system will let you know if the domain is eligible for transfer. Assuming it is, click Continue. Choose a billing cycle and you will then be asked for an EPP code, otherwise known as an Auth Code. This code is supplied by your current registrar. Without this code, we are unable to obtain access to the domain. We have articles in our Knowledgebase on how to obtain Auth codes from different providers, and we will leave links down in the description. Alternatively, your registrar support desk should be able to assist you, or reach out to us at support@kandekore.net. If you don't have an EPP code yet, but would like to process the order, then you can type TBC in the box to continue your order. Please be aware that you will not be able to use your domain name until we have obtained the code and the transfer is complete. You will be provided with a temporary URL which you can use to start working on your website. Now, if you're happy to leave your domain at your current registrar and just want to point it to our server, then you can do this a couple of ways. You can change the Nameservers, or you can point what they call an A record. We would recommend for pointing at A record, you would get some assistance for this, as this is quite a technical requirement. Our Nameservers are shown up on the screen now, are ns1.kandekore.net, ns2.kandekore.net, ns3.kandekore.net and ns4.kandekore.net. You will need to change these details at your current registrar. We do have some articles in our Knowledgebase on how to do this for different providers, but please feel free to reach out to us at support@kandekore.net if you need further assistance. To implement this through your order, choose the option I will use my existing domain and update my Nameservers or DNS records. Let us know what the domain name is. And click Use. As stated, further links on how to do this will be provided below, but please reach out to our support team if you do require assistance. And that's how you order a hosting package through our portal. In our next video, we'll run you through the features of the dashboard once you are logged in and show you how to start using your packages. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for notifications on when we release a new video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, with Kandekore, you don't need to pay the earth to reach the world.